Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Contentful for publishing SEO metadata, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Contentful for publishing SEO metadata, begin by visiting the Contentful website. Log in to your Contentful account. If you do not have an account, create one and set up your space. Navigate to the API keys section of your space in the Contentful dashboard. Here, you will find the option to generate a new API key. Click on the Create API Key button. Give your API key a meaningful name that reflects its purpose. Select the access rights for your API key. Ensure you include both read and write permissions for SEO metadata. Once you have configured the API key, click on the Generate button. Make sure to copy your API key immediately, as you will need it later. Next, open your preferred development environment. Install the Contentful Management SDK by running the appropriate npm command. Import the Contentful Management SDK into your project. Create a new instance of the Contentful client using your API key. Authenticate the client with your API key before making any requests. To publish SEO metadata, ensure you have defined your content model in Contentful. Locate the entry you want to update for SEO purposes. Retrieve the entry using the Contentful client by passing the entry ID. Make the necessary updates to the SEO metadata fields. This may include the title, description, and any relevant keywords. After making the updates, save the entry. Use the Contentful client to publish the entry. Confirm that the entry has been successfully published by checking the Contentful dashboard. Once published, verify that the SEO metadata is reflected correctly in your website's source code. If any issues arise, double-check your API key permissions and entry details. This process will ensure your Contentful space is authenticated and ready for managing SEO metadata. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.